Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to convert GPT to MBR. Sometime during the installation we get this warning. Hold shift key and press F10. Type here disk part. It is without space. Hit enter. List disk with space. Here I have one disk. It is around 60 gig. Select disk 0 or 1. Make sure to select your target disk. Here my target is disk 0. Hit enter. Disk 0 is new, the selected disk. Clean the disk. Disk part succeeded on cleaning the disk. Convert to MBR. Hit enter. Disk part successfully converted, selected to MBR format. If you want, you can convert to GPT like this. Now close comment prompt, come back, again come back, come back, come back. I don't have product key. Repeat this step again. Next. Custom install. Select your drive. Next. Guys, like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.